guys, welcome back to Semco Painting and Decorating YouTube channel. We are starting a new project today. Right behind me there, we're gonna do this job in two parts. First part is gonna be pressure cleaning and second part is gonna be painting. With pressure cleaning, I never said anything about safety. The quickest way to explain safety on pressure cleaning, myself, I treat the pressure gun when I do job as a firearm. So that's how serious this is. But the best way to see is just go on Google and check the injuries with pressure cleaning guns. Always use the steel caps, glasses, gloves. Better be safe than sorry. So I'm gonna do first video on pressure cleaning. I'm gonna take you through the steps, what I do and how I do, and I'm gonna introduce my tools that I'm using on it. And the first one is my pressure gun, and I take you through. So this is the pressure gun I'm using. This is the one of the best that you can get. So on this project I'm gonna use hot water. This is setting for hot water, and I'm gonna use low pressure. This gun's got everything. Like, you got a burner there, 500 liters of water, recycling, so you can use recycled water as well. That's a quick intro about the gun, and that's the job that we're doing. I get on with it. Stay tuned and don't go away. So this is the preparation part, pressure cleaning before painting. I'm gonna do video on this one only, so you're gonna watch first pressure cleaning, preparing for painting. Every job I do this kind of thing, pressure clean everything and then paint, remove all the mold and black mold and everything that's on the timber, and then paint over it, undercoat, two top coats. So now we're gonna wait for this to dry. We're gonna leave it for 24 hours on a good day. And if it's gonna rain tomorrow or after tomorrow, we're not gonna come back to this job. We're gonna need at least one day to one sunny day for all the timber to be dry. Otherwise, it's no point painting on wet. So this will be the first part. Thank you for watching, guys. I will appreciate if you leave comments down below, anything you want to know about the pressure cleaning, safety, how to do it, and measures to before starting a job. As you've seen it, I'm using a big machine, but it doesn't have to be a big machine. Even on a big machine, I set it on a very low pressure and hot water. I'm fortunate enough to have a hot water on this one, so combined with the low pressure and hot water, it takes everything off basically easily. So yeah, I don't need too much pressure to set it on high pressure. But if you're using smaller machines, you know, you can set it up on low pressure or high pressure. Depends which machine you're using. Some machines are just one pressure and that's it. But yeah, it's very, very important to know how high you're gonna set it up with the pressure. If you set it up too high, you can damage the timber easily, decking, timber, anything that you're painting, or even concrete if you set it up too high. So you have to be very careful when you're adjusting the pressure to pressure clean any surface. I always do it on a low pressure to make sure I don't damage anything. That's the safest play you can do. It's just set it up on low pressure and you'll be fine. Pretty much the way you're gonna see is it right pressure when you're washing it. If it's washing it slowly, not too fast, that's good. But when you're washing and it's just stacking everything off like quickly, that's too high and it's gonna damage the surface. So you have to be very careful. This will be the for this part of it. Please like, subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it down below. Till next video. Cheers.